Back over to Chuck Crosby at the Crosby Law Office. Freddie owns a home in Oldham County. One of his neighbors, Chuck, is in clear violation of the motor home covenant and conditions of his subdivision. And in this email, he says that the covenants say no truck with advertising can be parked in the driveway or on the street overnight. And he says, Freddie, that he has reported this neighbor's truck to his homeowner association. They haven't taken any action. He's wondering, what's the next step, Chuck?
Well, the next step is to garner a whole bunch of support and run for president of the HOA next year. That's the quick answer. Okay, if it's a truck with, if the guy that lives there is, Jim Bob's House of Roofs, and he's a roofer, and it's his main vehicle, I'd say you're going to have a hard time enforcing that CCR. However, if it's something that's really awful and obnoxious and the HOA just won't do anything about it, you can always file a lawsuit for diminution of value if there is with your property, or, the HOA, just pester them. And if the HOA won't do the job as they're supposed to, garner a bunch of support and run for president.
Yeah, I had one of these problems years ago where it actually did hurt the seller's value, our client's value, because it was right across the street. And every time, we had a showing what's going on across the street. Is this a junkyard or something?
And that can. And if the HOA is failing to respond to an obvious issue and it's causing, your property to go down in value, well, you have a cause of action.
Yeah. Okay. We are out of time, folks. This went very fast. A reminder that we'll be on next week. And with that, I will tell you another great show with some disturbing information about if you have a trick-or-treater on your property and the trick-or-treater gets hurt, what happens? Who's at fault? That's going to be on next week's show. And what do you end up paying if you do it all? Our thanks to Chuck Crosby. He's the head guy over at the Crosby Law Offices. They do a great job of getting your home loan closed, as well as doing a will for you or power of attorney, foreclosure defense, commissioner sale. You can reach Chuck, 499-6360. Randy Rocky at Swan Financial does a great job of shopping your loan to get you the best rate. You can reach Randy anytime at 645-0736. And if you're looking for down payment assistance, again, get on the short list with Randy, 645-0736. And if you're thinking of selling your home now or in the near future, I would love to be able to help you. It's free, no obligation for me to come out. And then just talk about the process. We'll find out what the cost is, what your house is worth, what you need to do or not do. And no house too big, no house too small. You can reach me on my cell phone anytime, including the weekends, 376-5483, or go to bobsellslouisville.com. And for an almost immediate estimate of what your home is worth, computerized, head to WeSellLouisville.com. That's it. We're out of time. See you next Sunday on News Radio 840 WHAS.